Hello friends! I'm going to quickly go over the directions for this new type of phonics activity, something a little different. We're going to be working with some of our three-letter blends, the ones that start with S. We'll be looking at SCR, SPR, and STR. Remember, each letter makes its own sound, but they blend together. Sk, sp, st, like in scrap, spray, and straw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my crayons for this activity, and the directions say lightly color in each crayon a different color. Then use those same colors to color the words in the boxes that have the same blend. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick any color that I want. So I'm going to do green, and I'm going to color SCR lightly so I can still see the word in green. That way I know all SCR words are green, and you can pick any color you want. You just have to stay consistent with it. SPR, I'm just going to make that one blue. And then STR, I'm going to make pink. Okay, so those are the colors I chose. The color for each one of these crayons is up to you. But since I colored SCR green, then I have to look at all these words, and any word I see that has SCR, I have to color green. So scrap has SCR, so I'm going to lightly shade that box, and emphasis on lightly. You need to do it lightly so that it's not too dark to see the word. And do not choose black, because it's just kind of setting yourself up to not be able to see the word that you colored. So that is an SCR word. Scroll is an SCR word. So I can color scroll green. Scream. There's another one. Scrub. And screw. Okay. So then, since I colored all my SCR words green, just like I said I would up there, now I'm going to write them in the boxes. So SCR boxes are right here. So I'm going to look at which ones I colored green. Scrap, so I can write scrap on the line. Scroll, scream, scrub, and screw. So I will write them all on the line, and then I'm going to go on to my next color. I chose blue for SPR words, so I'll start coloring SPR words blue. I'll color all of them, and I'll write them on the line. So every word should be colored either green, blue, or pink for me, since those are the colors that I chose. And there should be a word in every single box. There are 5 SCR words, 5 SPR words, and 5 STR words. Once you have all your words colored and all your boxes filled in, there is a back side where you're doing the exact same thing, but now you're only going to pick 2 colors, and you're going to do words that end with S and ES. So you're looking at plurals, since we've been doing so much practice with that. So if it's just S, like helps, you can color it whatever color you make this crayon. So if I want to make this one blue for just S, no ES, then I can color helps blue. And then in my boxes down here for just S words, I'll write helps. Okay, if I want to do ES green, then I have to shade brushes green, because it ends in ES, not just S. And I'll write it in the box. Okay, so again, you'll make sure everything is colored, blue or green, or whatever choices, or color choices you choose. And then you'll write S words in these boxes and ES words in these boxes. Okay, once you're done, you're going to turn it in. Make sure you do nice and neat coloring and writing. Do your best work.